Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly help you or your loved ones make the most of those golden years. 9 things you should stop spending money on in old age. Growing older is a wonderful privilege, but it also comes with unique financial challenges. By rethinking our expenses, we can protect our savings, reduce stress, and improve our overall quality of life. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more content about personal finance, healthy living, and so much more. We want to be your go-to resource for all the tips and tricks to help you live a happier, more fulfilling life. Ready to discover what expenses you might be able to cut back on for a healthier retirement budget? Let's jump right in. Stick around, and you might find some transformative advice that completely changes the way you look at your finances. 1. Overpriced insurance policies. One of the first things to review in your retirement years is your insurance policies. It's easy to carry multiple, overlapping, or outdated insurance plans that you may have signed up for decades ago. These policies could include life insurance, supplemental health insurance, or even homeowners insurance that no longer fits your current needs. As we get older, certain types of life insurance might become less critical if our children are grown and financially stable. If you purchased a policy specifically to protect your family's income needs when they were younger, it might be time to evaluate whether that same policy still serves its purpose. In some cases, the premiums you're paying are no longer worth the benefit, especially if the coverage overlaps with other savings or if your financial situation has significantly changed. It's crucial to sit down with a trusted advisor or perform a comprehensive review of your insurance portfolio. By confirming what coverage you still need and dropping any unnecessary add-ons, you can significantly reduce monthly expenses. Rather than funneling money into policies that no longer benefit you, focus on ensuring that your insurance aligns with your present stage in life. This simple step can free up funds for what truly matters, living a comfortable, stress-free retirement. 2. Unnecessary subscription services. The subscription model has exploded in recent years, with services for streaming, music, fitness, meal kits, and countless other conveniences. When you're fully employed and juggling a busy schedule, these subscriptions may have made perfect sense. However, once you enter retirement or an older phase of life, it's wise to look at each monthly charge and ask, do I still need this? One classic example is a gym membership. If you no longer use the facility due to mobility issues or a preference for home workouts, it might be time to cancel. The same goes for streaming platforms that you rarely watch or online music services you don't frequently use. It might not seem like much if each subscription costs just a few dollars, but added together, these fees can amount to a significant monthly expenditure. Take stock of every recurring payment on your bank or credit card statements. Decide if you're genuinely benefiting from that service, or if it's a habit you've forgotten to cancel. Sometimes consolidating services or even moving to cheaper plans with fewer bells and whistles is enough. By trimming down or eliminating subscriptions that no longer bring you joy or convenience, you'll see an immediate boost to your monthly budget, money better spent on experiences you truly value. 3. High-interest debt. Carrying high-interest debt into your retirement years can be a significant financial burden. Whether it's credit cards, personal loans, or other forms of consumer debt, the compounding interest can rapidly eat away at a fixed retirement income. Many retirees find themselves on a more limited budget once they stop working full-time, making it essential to manage debt proactively. If you have credit card balances with sky-high interest rates, consider looking into debt consolidation or working with a financial advisor to establish a payoff plan. Often, transferring balances to a lower interest card or securing a personal loan at a more favorable rate can mean significant savings. Moreover, setting a strict repayment schedule can help keep you on track and prevent your debt from growing further. Another practical tip: pay more than the minimum monthly payment whenever possible. Even a small increase in your monthly payment can shorten the repayment period and save you a substantial amount of interest. If you're unsure where to start, speak with a non-profit credit counseling organization or a trusted financial planner who can outline your best options. Reducing or eliminating high-interest debt will not only free up money every month, but it can also bring a sense of security and peace of mind that's invaluable in your golden years. 4. Extravagant gifts and lending. Generosity is a beautiful trait, and many of us love to give gifts to loved ones, especially grandchildren or younger family members. However, it's essential to maintain a balance between generosity and protecting your own financial well-being. This is especially true when you are on a fixed income and cannot easily replace any significant sums of money you decide to give away. When you're in retirement, large cash gifts, lavish vacations for the family, or consistent loans to friends and relatives can quickly diminish your hard-earned savings. While it's natural to want to support loved ones, it's also okay to set boundaries. You might choose more meaningful, yet modest presents, or offer your time and skills rather than large sums of money. For instance, you could babysit the grandkids for free, help them learn practical skills, or pass on cherished family heirlooms. These can be far more treasured than any expensive gift. Additionally, be cautious with lending money. If you do decide to extend a loan to a loved one, make sure both parties understand the repayment terms to avoid conflicts or misunderstandings later. By keeping your generosity in check, you'll protect your financial stability. After all, staying independent and financially secure not only benefits you, but also relieves your loved ones from future worries about your well-being. 5. Excessive housing costs. A common financial struggle for people in older age is managing a home that may be too large or too expensive to maintain on a fixed retirement income. Many retirees still live in the same houses they raised their families in, even though the children have long since moved out. While you may feel attached to the memories of the family home, living in a residence that's bigger than you need can lead to high property taxes, utility bills, and maintenance costs. By downsizing, moving to a smaller home, a condo, or even a senior living community, you can dramatically reduce your monthly expenses. Not only will you likely save on your mortgage or rent, but you'll also lower your utility bills and reduce the amount you spend on upkeep. Plus, a smaller place often means less clutter and less time spent cleaning, enabling you to focus on enjoying life rather than managing a large property. When considering housing options, it's worth weighing the benefits of being closer to family or crucial amenities such as healthcare facilities. A carefully chosen downsized home can boost your quality of life and save you money. Although parting with a family home can be emotionally tough, the financial freedom and peace of mind you'll gain are priceless in your later years. 6. Costly vehicle expenses. For many older adults, a car is a lifeline that helps maintain independence. However, owning multiple vehicles or driving a car you barely use can be a significant drain on your finances. The cost of insurance, registration, fuel, maintenance, and unexpected repairs adds up quickly, especially if you're not driving as often as you once did. If you and your spouse have 2 cars but rarely find yourselves needing both, it may be time to sell one. This instantly reduces insurance, registration, and maintenance costs. For those who drive infrequently, consider switching to a more fuel-efficient or smaller vehicle, one that is cheaper to maintain and fits your current lifestyle. In some cases, you might be able to rely on public transportation, rideshare apps, or a local senior shuttle service, thereby eliminating the stress and expense of car ownership altogether. Moreover, check your auto insurance coverage to see if you qualify for discounts. Many insurance companies offer lower rates to older adults who drive fewer miles or take defensive driving courses. By re-evaluating how often you use your car, and exploring alternative transportation methods, you can save a considerable amount each month while still maintaining the ability to go wherever you need to. 7. Expensive dining and entertainment. Dining out at a favorite restaurant or catching the latest movie can be a wonderful treat, but frequent spending on entertainment can strain a retirement budget. It's easy to indulge in multiple restaurant meals each week, or sign up for premium seats at concerts, sporting events, and theatrical performances. While enjoyable, these expenses can rack up quickly and limit your ability to save for other priorities, such as travel, health needs, or even small home improvements. Fortunately, there are many budget-friendly or even free ways to stay entertained. Many communities offer senior discounts for movies, museums, and cultural events. Libraries, parks, and community centers often host free classes, book clubs, and social gatherings, providing a fun way to meet new people and pursue hobbies without breaking the bank. Cooking at home or organizing potluck dinners with friends can also be a delightful alternative to dining out, allowing you to share meals without paying restaurant premiums. Additionally, if you still want a night out, you can plan strategically. Dine out during lunch when prices are often lower, split an entree with a companion, or use coupons and discount apps. Adopting a slightly more frugal approach to dining and entertainment doesn't mean sacrificing fun. Rather, it ensures your money goes further, enabling you to enjoy your retirement for years to come. 8. Impulse purchases and retail therapy. As people transition into retirement, it's natural to have a bit more time on your hands. However, unstructured free time can sometimes lead to unplanned shopping sprees or frequent online purchases. Many retirees use shopping as a way to fill their days or to cope with boredom or stress, a behavior commonly referred to as retail therapy. While the occasional treat isn't problematic, habitual impulse buying can quickly whittle away your retirement savings. To counter this tendency, start by creating a realistic budget. Allow yourself a small, fun category for discretionary spending, but stay disciplined about how much you allocate. Also, try to find alternative ways to occupy your time that don't revolve around shopping. Consider hobbies such as gardening, crafting, or taking up a new exercise routine. Volunteering in the community can also provide a sense of purpose and satisfaction without costing a dime. Another helpful tip is the 24-hour rule. If you feel the urge to buy something that's not a necessity, wait a day to see if you still want it. More often than not, the desire to purchase fades, and you'll be happy you kept the money. By reducing impulse buys and resisting retail therapy, you'll help preserve your financial resources for more meaningful activities and experiences. 9. Unnecessary healthcare services and products. Healthcare costs can be one of the biggest expenses in older age, but not all healthcare-related spending is essential. Many people fall into patterns of purchasing unproven supplements, diet fads, and over-the-counter treatments that lack real benefits. Others sign up for procedures or screenings that may not be necessary for their specific situation. Staying healthy is a top priority, but it's crucial to focus on evidence-based medical advice and products. Before buying any expensive supplement or embarking on a costly treatment plan, consult with your primary care physician to ensure it's both safe and beneficial. Don't be afraid to ask for less expensive alternatives, whether it's generic medications, lower-cost treatments, or even lifestyle changes that can improve your health. Regularly review your prescriptions with a trusted healthcare professional. Sometimes dosages or medications can be adjusted to minimize costs without compromising your well-being. Additionally, read labels carefully when it comes to vitamins and herbal products. Many are marketed with lofty promises, but lack scientific backing. By being a discerning consumer and focusing on what truly works, you'll avoid sinking money into unnecessary healthcare products. The goal isn't to skimp on essential care, rather, it's to invest your healthcare dollars wisely so you can stay as healthy as possible throughout your golden years. We've just explored 9 things to stop spending money on in old age, ranging from overpriced insurance policies to costly healthcare products that offer little benefit. While retirement should be a time to enjoy life to the fullest, it's also important to make sure your finances align with your current needs and lifestyle. Reducing or eliminating these common expenses can have a transformative effect on your day-to-day comfort, ensuring that you have the resources to focus on what truly matters, whether that's travel, family, or simply enjoying your favorite hobbies. Remember, the key is not to deprive yourself, but to spend more intentionally. By conducting regular checkups on your subscriptions, insurance, housing costs, and other financial commitments, you can keep your budget under control while still preserving the joy in everyday life. Every dollar saved by cutting back on unnecessary spending can be reinvested in experiences that enrich your retirement years or set aside for medical costs and emergencies. We hope this video has sparked some ideas on how to fine-tune your financial strategy. If you found this content valuable, be sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments section, and subscribe for more insights on saving money, healthy living, and personal development. Your support helps us continue to bring quality, transformative information tailored to your stage in life. Thank you for watching. And here's to a more financially secure and fulfilling retirement. Until next time, take care and keep making those savvy spending decisions. You deserve the best in your golden years without letting unnecessary costs weigh you down.